Exciting news coming ahead in 2023. 5 Australian visa opportunities for 2023. The new government under Labor's Anthony Albanese has already made some significant changes to Australia's migration policies and begun tackling the visa backlog since coming into office in May. And there could be even more changes in 2023. Shortly after coming to power, the government announced an increase to the permanent migration program in 2022-23 from 160,000 to 195,000 places for skilled and family visas. The October budget revealed the number of skilled visas available as part of the program would increase significantly from 79,600 to 142,400. The government also announced changes to temporary skill shortage (TSS) subclass 482 visas that would allow people to apply for permanent residency, the removal of age restrictions on 457 visa holders, and expanding the eligibility for subclass 462 working holidaymaker visas. Here are 5 key visa opportunities in Australia for 2023. 1. New visa for certain countries. A new visa will be introduced in July 2023, providing 3,000 places for eligible migrants from Pacific countries and Timor-Leste. Spots for the Pacific Engagement Visa (PEV) will be allocated by a ballot process each year. These visas will be offered on top of the places available on Australia's permanent migration program. 2. Priority processing for New Zealanders. New Zealanders living in Australia will benefit from priority processing of skilled independent subclass 189 visa applications in the New Zealand stream. The department has dropped certain visa requirements, including that applicants must have lived in Australia for at least 5 years, and that they meet certain taxable income thresholds, as well as health criteria. Those who are granted visas will be able to access the benefits of permanent residence more quickly, including being allowed immediate access to the National Disability Insurance Scheme and automatic Australian citizenship for their children born in Australia. Those granted a New Zealand Stream visa will also have their citizenship pathway fast-tracked from 1 January 2023. 3. State-sponsored visas up for grabs. A Department of Home Affairs spokesperson said it had set a planning level of 31,000 places for state and territory nominated visas, subclass 190, in 2022-23, as well as a further 34,000 places in the regional category, subclass 491, the majority of which are nominated by state and territory governments. There will be another 5,000 visas for the Business Innovation and Investment Program, subclass 188. Back in 2018-19, before the COVID-19 pandemic dramatically impacted Australia's migration numbers, about 25,346 state and territory nominated visas were granted, and just 647 skilled regional visas. 4. Easier family reunion. The Albanese government has made it easier for families to reunite, introducing demand-driven partner visas in 2022-23. This means there is no limit to the number of these visas issued. The department is estimating it will issue around 40,500 partner visas this financial year. Child visas are also demand-driven, and an estimated 3,000 visas are expected to be issued. 5. Change to processing of visas. Skilled visa applications for teachers and healthcare workers are now being assessed in just 3 days, after the government stopped using the Priority Migration Skilled Occupation List (PMSOL) to rank applications. Ministerial Direction Number 100, introduced on 28 October 2022, set new rules for applications to be prioritized. Applications are now being decided in the following order of priority. 1. Healthcare or teaching occupation applications. 2. For employer-sponsored visas, applicants nominated by an approved sponsor with accredited status. 3. Those for a designated regional area. 4. For permanent and provisional visa subclasses, visa applications that count towards the migration program, excluding the subclass 188. Business Innovation and Investment, provisional visa. 5. All other visa applications. Within each category, Priority is given to applicants located outside Australia for provisional and permanent skilled visa applications. If you have heard me through and found some value, do help me spread the news. Go ahead and share the video with your loved ones and not so loved ones as well. Peace.